how to claim a YesStyle birthday gift on the desktop website, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So all club membership lasts 1 year starting from the join or upgrade the date ending on 12 months later. There is no membership fee associated with the YesStyle club or the club. Creating a Yes account, a login automatically enrolls you in the club. No additional sign up procedure is required. Creating a multiple account for the multiple YesStyle allowed membership is strictly prohibited. It may disqualify the membership and refuse or benefit for inappropriate activity. Member will be issued a member card in my account and select account summary as point as calculated based on USD spent on YesStyle purchase excluding coupons, rewards codes, shipping tax and point used. 100 points can be redeemed for $1 during the checkout process. YesStyle point cannot be applied as a payment to an order after that order has been placed. Therefore, ascending membership, regular Bronze and the Silver and the Gold membership upgrade occur when the cumulative spending YesStyle meet the required threshold within a specified period. Cumulative spending is the total spend on YesStyle in the USC or equivalent excluding coupon shipping taxes. US point refunded can be cancelled or will be subtract the refund amount from the member's cumulative spending upon the gold membership expiration. Total expiration team during the period determines the final cumulative spending. As the point have no cash value and cannot be redeemed for YesStyle credit, this will be credited to our member account after order have been successfully fulfilled. Membership level. As the point and the club benefit are not transferred, and that's it.